going to show you how you can write meter cubic in Excel. First of all, you have to open your Excel. You open your Excel. See, I'm using Excel 19. You open your Excel. For example, you want to write meter cubic, meter square, or anything you want. So you go to insert, and after going to insert, you go to symbols. After going to symbols, you go to equation. So then you choose ink equation. So you see, this is how I can do it. If you want to write meter cubic, try to write M by then you write cubic above M. You see, and then you click on that. So you see, this is my meter cubic. This is it. It's simple, it's not a big deal. Try to meter cubic. And another example, if you want to write a meter square, you go back, go to symbols, equation, then you go to ink, then write M, write your M, then to square, then you insert. You see, this is your meter square. They make it big. It's a great scene. Or I can write X square. Maybe go to insert. You go to symbols, equations, go to then you see, then write X. Square, example plus X square, then you insert. You make it right to be seen. You can do this. This is the best way to write meter square, X square. You can write an equation, or you can use insert symbols, equation. If you use the area of cycle, example, you can use this. You see, then you can copy this from. You can delete it. Done. So thank you for this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.